that deep.
let me drive like to the back. I'm gonna drive to the back,
okay,
and then
okay,
you can try to drive it.
Yeah, okay.
But Hugo, it's absolutely.
No, I can drive. I can drive.
Yeah, I got the ticket. It's okay.
But is it like you have to pay now?
No, later. It's okay. It's like 10 euro. Bastards. Okay, you ready? This is how close we are. Well, that's for me for later. It matches the car though. Oh yeah, because you have to pay, and I had no coins, so it's fine.
Oh.
Yeah, that's okay. That's totally fine though. Yeah. No, it's not bad parking just because you didn't pay for the parking. Anyways, so do you see how close the BMW is?
Not that deep.
If we drive in the BMW, we'll have to call the insurance.
I can. You can push the car.
I'm gonna drive it out myself, and then I'm gonna let you. Okay?
Don't trust me.
I am gonna drive it to the back, and then you drive it to the rest of the time.
Me.
I do trust you, Hugo, but I'm gonna now drive to the back fully, so you can put it on the back here. So we gotta. So I just need to like put the thing and then put it straight up and then just go. I'm so scared myself. What if I will hit the BMW myself? That would be not nice. Okay? You can stay outside if you want.
Okay. Mal gucken, wie sie macht jetzt. Ich sag's nicht so deep. I say it's not that deep.
It's going to be cinema if we actually like crash accidentally in BMW.
No, that's not cinema. Hello together, hello. Was geht ab, Chat? Junge, die Karre bekommt einen Ständer. Wie bitte? Welche Karre bekommt einen Ständer? Ist die nicht gestern auch... Die ist gestern auch schlecht gefahren, ja. Das wollte ich jetzt nicht sagen, wenn sie vor mir ist. Aber sie ist gestern auf der Autobahn auch nicht so gut gefahren. Off-stream. Oh, let's go, come! Bro, why is she looking like that?
You are putting a little bit too much tension on me right now.
Why? It's not that deep.
You are putting a lot of tension on me, please.
Digga, Hugo, ihr Fenster ist offen. Ja, die hört mich doch, die versteht mich doch nicht. I'm speaking German, she doesn't understand. Okay. Das Auto pfeift wirklich aus dem letzten Loch. Yeah, it's a beautiful car, yeah. But it's an old car. Yeah.
Okay, now you can.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
The wheel doesn't have any hydraulics, so you have to really push it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, ich hab ein bisschen Angst. Aber das wird schon.
I think we need to move it, right? Or do you have enough
Oh, the
space?
seat?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. You never moved?
I don't know. I think maybe like you have to press there on the button right here. No, that's for a different thing. No, I don't think so. Okay, hold here. I have an idea.
Oh, it's your car.
I know, but I didn't move the seat.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Say sorry.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so you push it, I hold it, and you push it to the side, okay?
Okay.
Now push it to the side.
To which side?
I have no idea. Let's do push it.
Like
here, from here. Okay, maybe I'm pushing in the wrong.
I try to sit and then. Yeah.
You
hold. Can also drive it like this. Bro, I don't know how to move it. I can ask ChatGPT.
Yeah, you could try. Yeah, it should work this way. Like we should push this one right there. You should push it and try to pull it back, but like shake yourself a little bit to like. Yeah, I think it might be stuck. It might be stuck. But what we can do is no, it's okay. It's okay if it works a little bit for like a couple of minutes. So we can do. Oh wait, try now. Hugo, try now. No. Try to pull it. Pull it to the back. Does it move? No, but I guess it is what it is. Well, we can.
I think it's okay.
You think? Try to like I don't know, press something.
Is it normal that the carpet is like on the brakes?
I don't know. I don't know. I am not sure. I don't know why it is on the. I don't know.
Yeah, I can fix it.
Yeah. Wait. Hold. Maybe it has to go underneath, right?
Yeah, it goes underneath the brakes, you know.
Oh.
But wait.
Let's just. Yeah. Oh my god.
You have to.
Wait. We're look. Okay, hold that. Bro, I think. What did you do exactly?
No. What? That's not my fault.
Okay.
No. Just.
What?
Just. I do it.
Okay.
Oh.
That's exactly what I was going to do.
No. No.
Okay, Hugo, look. So here is the left is the clutch.
Yeah, I know.
That's the brake.
Yeah, okay.
Brake, you really have to push real hard to the stop. Okay. Then the wheel has no hydraulic power, 0. And also my window is not. Oh yeah, hold on. For like safety. Okay, hold on. Let's turn it off for now.
Off?
Yeah, for a second. Okay, so look, I have an issue right there. Is that this window is loose.
Yeah.
Can I have duct tape? Huh?
With tape, right?
Yeah, we have to fix it with tape, because otherwise it's gonna be very dangerous. No, you. Okay. Yeah. Let me see it. I'm gonna tell you which way to put it. Okay? Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Yes, keep it like that. So, do you think it's good? Is it good? Hold on, Hugo. Is that good amount of view?
You have to look by yourself. But I'm also higher than you. Maybe it's not working for me, but yeah.
Put it a little closer, like a little, like so, little bit, like to me, just a little bit. Oh, that's.
It's good.
Yes, it is. Wait, you think duct tape is gonna be okay?
Yeah.
People say duct tape will ruin the duct tape will
Yeah,
ruin.
I don't put it there. I just put it there because there's the,
Maybe we take smaller. Hold on.
But
Hold it here.
sie vertraut mir nicht. GG's.
Okay, seems to be good.
You have another smaller?
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me start it again. Let me start the car.
I'm not driving.
Yeah, I'll start it myself.
I can also start it.
Okay. You have to like play a little bit with you have to play a little bit with gas and play a little bit with with clutch.
With clutch?
Yeah. So you have to like put the clutch just a little bit and like just slightly, I guess. And don't forget to put the seatbelt on. All right.
Say bye bye to your car.
I'm not worried. If something I can always repair. And the thing that I do worry about is our life, because we have no. Oh, huh? You see? It's very nice. But we will need that for the navigation.
Okay.
But I can hold the navigation here.
No, just put it there. That's better.
Okay. Hugo, how are you? You're a man.
I'm a man. Yeah.
Men should be just better, right?
Yeah.
So you should be fine.
Yeah.
Skate
But
park there,
the first 5 minutes it's a little bit bumpy, But then I have the motion.
It's 18 minutes by car.
Oh. It's not that deep.
It's not that deep. Okay, Hugo, please listen. Put like all of your man abilities, okay? Where's road is close? Anyway, fine.
Okay.
Okay, Hugo. Now let's.
You want?
No, hold on.
Hi, I'm Gemini, your AI assistant from.
No, I don't want anything. Shut up.
Remember to stay focused on driving safely when we're talking.
Yeah, but
Let me know
we're
if
in
there's
the car.
anything that I can help you
The
with.
windows are open.
I don't want anything.
Okay.
Okay, Hugo.
Got it. I'll be silent then. Drive safe.
Okay, Hugo. Wait. I'm gonna put on the seatbelt. Could you hold for a
Ja.
second? Okay.
Ich werde die Firma jetzt an die Wand fahren, Chat.
Alles klar, ich halte mich zurück.
How to stop it?
I know. I'm from there. But put your seatbelt on.
Sure thing.
Just,
I hate it. I hate it so bad. Okay, let's go.
okay, maybe I'm not from there.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, try to turn it on. Hold it.
Ich bin mir nicht ganz sicher, was ich einschalten soll. Meinst
Hugo,
du
tell
die
her
Zielführung,
to
die
close
Musik?
herself.
Oder vielleicht
Könntest du
etwas
dich
anderes
bitte
im Auto?
schließen?
Sag mir einfach kurz Bescheid, was du brauchst.
Könntest du dich bitte einfach schließen und die Fresse halten?
Okay. No, it's all here, guys.
Okay, then
Maybe we should put on the helmets.
yeah, no.
Let's Hugo put this one on.
Oh my god. Okay,
this-
start the engine.
Yeah, but you have to also like play a little bit with the gas.
With the gas?
Yeah, a little bit.
But I have to brake, right?
No, you don't have to. You're on the
okay.
thing. Check if we are not in the first gear. Yeah. First, second.
What?
Okay, hold on.
What?
Okay.
What?
Okay.
Was ist das denn?
This,
What?
this,
Okay. What?
first, then you don't have to. Let's just test first of all.
Okay.
Put this in the first gear.
Yeah, first.
First, is it on the first?
Yeah.
Did you press the
Yeah,
clutch?
yeah.
Now put it in the second. Is it second?
Yeah. Then
Okay, put it in his
neutral,
third.
Third.
Yes, now fourth. Fourth.
Yeah, it's.
And to go back,
You have
to go back,
push or?
you have to push down
Okay.
and.
Yeah. Okay.
How do you know?
Bro, I'm from there, you know.
From where?
I drove also manual, but not that. But it's the same, you know.
Okay, God, please help me with this.
Okay.
Okay, no, you don't have to. You just turn it on first. And is it in natural now?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay,
Can I turn it on now?
you can try. But it only listens to me.
Not that deep.
Okay, God. What gear are we gonna turn? Ah, Hugo, press! Dumbass!
Yeah.
Hugo, listen.
But why the seatbelt so loose?
This isn't too.
I have to pull it now.
Hugo, listen.
Yeah.
Brake, okay?
Yeah.
We can just brake now.
Yeah.
Now, try to what are you gonna do now?
I go to the first.
Yeah, but also you have to pull the wheels all the way to the right. Try to push the wheel. Oh my god. Digga. Oh
I
my god.
have to go
Back?
back. Yeah.
Okay, try to. Okay. Let's go back now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we put in the first. The blinkers.
Yeah.
Do you see anything in the mirrors? Like they're really not visible, so you have to.
Really not visible.
No,
yeah.
not at all. So we gotta turn to the.
How you can? No, please not. Bro, it's my first time. Okay, I taped.
Hugo, chill.
Yeah, chill.
Okay.
I taped the dog now. I tamed it.
Do you put on the fourth?
What?
Yeah, you have to put it on the second.
No. Oh wait, I have to go left.
Oh,
Fuck. Now we fucked.
brake.
I'm a little bit sweaty. I have to go right now.
You can turn on. Maybe somebody will be kind enough and they will let you in.
Okay, man things, you know.
Okay, but don't put so. This is the first, then the second, then the third, and the fourth. But don't turn on the red, the reverse. Okay?
Yeah, but I have to push for reverse, right?
Yes, they're gonna let us in.
But it's
Tough?
yeah, it's tough.
It is very fucking tough.
Yeah. Also to
To
yeah.
steer.
Yeah.
Yes.
But I
Okay. Hugo.
time to shine.
Oh. Thank you. Well done. Now the second gear.
Oh my god.
Oh, brake.
Yeah. It's okay.
I am so nervous. Hugo!
Yeah, bro.
Brake! It has very bad brakes.
No, check.
Hugo.
2 meters left, right? Oh man.
Oh, that's so smooth. That was smooth like a butter.
But okay, now I got it. Now it's easy. You can relax now. Okay.
I have no clue how many horsepower. Let's go.
No, what?
I don't know how
I think
many.
like
30?
70. 30?
I think like 30 horsepower.
No,
Okay.
it's okay. You can relax now. You can relax.
I am
Just
relaxed. I am relaxed.
I tamed the horse. I tamed the horses.
I am fully relaxed. My whole body right now is relaxed.
I'm also relaxed. Where's the music?
I don't have music. And air conditioning as well.
Yeah. What is this button?
I have no idea, but don't click it.
It's not a button.
Yeah, it's not.
We have like
Windshields.
you have like one blinker.
Who?
The 4 blinkers. You have?
I have no idea how to turn them
Maybe
on.
this one?
No, I don't know what that is. Bro, maybe we don't have to press everything that we don't know what that is.
Bro, it's your car.
Yeah, but I didn't need it, you know? So it's, maybe it's this or this.
No, no.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, that was like light, right? Oh my. Bro. That was his fault, right?
It's her.
Huh? No. Well. Oh, that's it. Oh, the child is looking at me. Hello.
What?
Child is. I have eye contact with the child like 10 seconds. Hello.
Oh my god.
Why
That
she-
is sweet.
She not say hello.
That is so sweet.
That's okay. It's okay. No, I go crash on right now. What is this?
Please calm down.
He-
Please.
he's
please
coming
calm
from
down.
the right,
Please,
he's coming from
please, calm down. It's okay. You has to be fully relaxed and focused and locked in. You cannot.
What? Cannot?
You cannot get angry. I know you have to like really look at everything.
No, it's not that deep. I have 2 meters left.
It's okay. You're doing amazing, sweetie.
Thank you.
Do you know Kim Kardashian?
Yeah, I know the clip. No, but. Oh my god.
Please don't crash out though. Don't crash out. We just need to like turn more. In Portugal, you don't crash out. Oh, blood!
What was it? What was it?
You put it in the first gear while we're fucking driving 30 kilometers per hour, bro.
Okay.
It's fine. Just remember the placement where the gears are.
I don't know where to go. The hand is. The phone is flipped.
Okay. Now just like the fuck. Where you fucking honking, bitch?
No, it
Okay. Yeah. So now we have to slightly like. Oh my god. Okay. So now we go, and then okay, and then we go right again. Yeah, it's free. Okay, good. Okay, and that's it. Okay. All right. Get now.
I'm so sweaty. Oh my god. The problem is I have no place with my not enough space for my feet, you know.
Yeah. So remember the placement. Second gear, the
Yeah, no,
first
I know,
gear,
I know,
then the
I know.
second gear,
Yeah.
and when it's already there,
Yeah.
you turn on the third
We
gear.
have,
I have no clue. Let's test it.
oh,
It
it's
is.
this one, okay.
You are putting in the fourth gear.
And the fourth?
Yes. Put it in the second.
How? Wait. Was it also the fourth?
Yeah. Just
But what is it?
put it in natural. It is in natural.
Yeah.
Now, so let's while we're on the red light, try to put in the second gear.
This is second, right?
Exatamente. Now put in the fourth. Exatamente.
Okay.
So like when.
Okay, 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 like.
Now put in the second gear. Oh, exatamente. Let's go. It's a natural. It's a natural.
Okay, I know. No, I know.
The third, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay, now we're safe. Now I know. Like this one is the first.
Yes.
Then this one, the second, then third, fourth. Okay.
Yeah, but listen. So look. So when you want to switch from the second to the third, you can't just push it like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to put a neutral and then to the right, because otherwise you're gonna turn on the first gear again. I'm sorry, I'm stressed. We can go McDonald's drive-through later.
Yeah. That's a good idea.
Very smooth. Good job. Well done. Hugo. Is there a cute version in German for your name?
Hoogie.
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 Hoogie. Cookie! We have to go just straight now.
What's his? His phone.
Okay. Very well. Very well, Hoogie. You can call me Oxy if you want.
Oxy?
Yeah.
Oxy?
What?
The Oxy is good.
Hoogie.
Yeah.
Oxy and Hoogie in the car. It's a yellow. It's red now. What are your feelings right now?
Now I know, okay. I tamed the horses now.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I can drive all the time.
Okay. From now on, you're gonna drive.
Yeah.
That's so cool. You just like, guys, it's so cool to be a man.
Why?
When I was driving that first, I was diabolically scared. I was like beyond scared. I was like not unsure in myself, and I had anxiety, you know. But she seems to be fine.
Yeah, because I drove already manual, you know.
Yeah, I drove manual too for many years, but that's.
Yeah, but I also drove old Porsche that is exactly like this.
We'll have to. Oh, my bad. Oh shit. We have to. Oh.
Sorry.
No, we're good. It was just a little bumpy. It was just a little.
I have to turn to the right.
Not now. Not now.
All right, no.
No, it's straight. We're going straight still. This is the blind spot in this car. I almost hit another car in the highway because of the bad as mirrors, bro.
Yeah, the mirrors are fucking bad.
Yeah, I know, right?
I can't even use them.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna tell you if there's anyone, okay? So the helmet's for safety.
And I don't turn the engine off. It's also good.
No, it's amazing. But we still have 5 minutes to drive, so
That's
and
not
we'll
that
have to
deep.
find a parking lot. Will
I
we
have
be able to park?
Yeah. I'm a good parker. With cameras, but yeah, not cameras, but I okay, the mirrors are also shit, okay, but I
Open it! You turn it off.
Okay, now we have a problem.
Oh, you're pressing. Wait, you. Okay. Wait a little bit. The thing. Put it down. Yep. Accelerate. Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Not here. Calm down.
Yeah.
You're doing amazing, Hoogie.
I'm sure. Is this the right?
Yeah, this is the right. Be careful, there's people. You took. Okay. I understood. You're doing a great job.
I have to park here or?
No, straight. We have 1.5 kilometers ahead of us. In 500 meters, turn to the left.
Now behind me is very close.
Uh-oh. Yes, he is very close. But don't brake.
Yeah.
High cortisol.
I have also a little bit high cortisol.
It's okay, we're gonna have low and we're gonna go skating.
I don't think so.
Why?
Because then I fall and then I broke my bones.
You can fall on me.
Okay.
Easy. Soon to the left.
Left.
Left, yes. I spoke too soon.
No, it was smooth.
Yeah, I would say so. It was very smooth. You're doing a great job. You're doing a really great job, Hugo. I am super impressed with you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna give you a hug.
Yeah.
Deserved. But if we arrive, there's like 2 more minutes left.
Yeah, now it's easy. Now it's easy.
Ooh,
What?
the 4th geared. We go to the 4th gear, but we need to turn to the right now.
Right? Yeah, no problem. To the right there?
Yes, to the right there. And then we'll have to turn to the right soon, but you can look for the parking lot, which is
Where?
okay, we'll have to turn to the right now, Not now, but like, do you see where the road is? And then we'll have to look for the parking lot. Be careful, there's a woman. There to the right.
I thought this. You have to. You said not the next one. No. That was bad communication right now.
In fact,
Yeah.
I indeed apologize for the badass communication.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
What was there, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's okay, we'll just make a turn. You'll have to go to the right now.
Okay. Now?
Yes.
Okay. Now?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Why are you looking like that?
I have nothing. Wow, Audie. I don't know. What are your feelings?
Good. I do something new today. It's good.
You do something new every day with me.
Yeah, that's true.
You see? It's red. I'm hungry.
I'm not hungry. Okay.
No, it's okay. It's still working. It's still working.
Well, it's all wrong.
It's okay. It is total. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Well done, Hoogie.
Where I have to go?
Soon you will have to turn to the left.
What? Left?
Yeah. Yes. You see where to turn to the left?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Porsche.
Do you like Porsche?
Yeah.
I like Porsche too. Let's buy Porsche one on one. You and me buy Porsche together.
I have to buy a BMW.
Can I buy that too? So I put like my 1,000 and you put the rest.
Ah. Okay. Okay, deal.
Okay. And when I'm listen, I don't like. You can hit pretty much anything, bro. What the fuck is that movement?
Bro.
To the left now. No cars. Okay. You see the navigator, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, perfect. You couldn't like listen. You can in theory just like park somewhere here. Okay, there's no spot. There's no spot. Oh, there's a spot. There's a spot. There's a spot.
Also.
Oh, I mean, well, but this one is like illegal. Okay, whatever.
Everything is illegal here. Yeah.
Do you want me to like film on the outside? Can I film on the outside?
Yeah, but I'm on the street right now. But yeah.
I know. I'm just gonna get out right now. Let's go. Hugo, you got this.
Yeah.
If something, I'm gonna tell you. Let's go, Hugo. Bullets! Push, push, push. Perfect. More. More, Hugo, more. You have a lot of space. No, wait. Wheels, yes, wheels to the left. Stop! Wheels to the right. And straight. And now back. Wheels to the left. Actually, I don't know. Do whatever fuck you want. Okay, good. Perfect. Stop. Hugo, put it in the gear. Yeah, but put it in the gear because the handbrake doesn't hold. Put it.
Oh, it's okay.
You put it in the. You sure?
Yes. You're holding nothing right now.
Okay. Well done, Hugo. Well done. You did a great job, Hugo.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold that. Let's go. Do you have the keys?
No.
If you open the car in less than 10 seconds, I'm gonna make your wish. Any kind of wish. Any kind of.
Chat
Okay.
schreibt Wünsche rein.
Hold on. I'm gonna put on the timer so we have it all fair.
Give me 15 seconds.
No, 10.
Can you tell me which key?
No.
Okay, then. GG.
You have to get lucky. Okay, hold on. I need to find. Where in Samsung is timer?
Uhr, time.
Okay. I have it ready.
Okay.
Okay, so. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, but I have to have
No,
the key.
okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it, Hugo. That's it. You,
Oh, which key, please?
that's it. Okay. Here.
Oh no, I have it.
You found it. Put these on the back, please.
Verfickte Scheiße.
Well, could you open, please, the door? Thank you. In a horror movie, you would die. You know?
Yeah, that's not bad.
What?
Nothing.
What's so bad?
That's not bad, I said. Oh.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So we need to go to the parking lot, which is, and then we go on the boat with the sunset.
No, I don't think so. No sunset.
Yes, sunset.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't care. We're gonna have sunset. Just close the door. Okay, good job. Now the keys. Don't forget that you're in the gear. Oh, I have low battery. Hold on a minute. Could you hold it? No, you don't have to.
We can also switch to my backpack.
No. We can still stream on it. It's my phone is fine.
But are we using my backpack today or not?
I think we could later.
Okay.
We don't have to, but we could if we want. We are flexible. Bro, I'm looking for a power bank. Look how majestic it is. I'm just gonna plug it in and then it's done. Okay, let's go to the parking. No! Don't remove it.
Oh, what?
Yeah, and now it's gonna be charging.
Oh, huh?
Oh, huh?
What?
Oh, huh? Okay, we're going in. You sure you want to remove the helmet?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Like 100%? Okay, so hold on. I need to first find where. Tired.
No. I'm
Okay.
just my body.
You want coffee?
Red Bull.
Red Bull?
Yeah.
Do you want? Hold on, please. Hold on.
Which key?
Hold on.
Yeah.
I need to find where we parked last time.
I know.
You can't, hold on a little bit, please. I want to show how you're gonna do it. Please, who
Yeah,
go on. I'm so hungry. It's 30 minutes by car. Well, I think we can make it. What?
I thought 30.
13.
Yeah.
Okay, start. Okay, now you can start the car, but I'm not saying anything.
I got it, right?
Yeah, I guess so. Wait, we gotta open the windows, I guess, for the better view and communication. Okay, we're good.
Oh.
We good,
Okay.
right? So the navigation is there. No one is on the left. No one almost is on the right.
Wait.
What?
My.
Do you want me to make it tighter?
Yeah.
Okay, hold it. Hold. Like that. Okay, that's free. Okay. Be gentle, like with a woman. Are you gentle with women?
Yeah.
Ah.
You?
Next question.
Okay. You're not gentle with women?
Like, well, but.
Yeah, but.
Sorry, overreacted. We have to turn to the left here. Check everywhere. Exactamente. Exactly. How do you say exactly in German?
Exakt.
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 Yeah. Not sucked, but yeah, exact.
Exact.
Yeah.
Okay. That sounds pretty good. Oh, that's almost the same car as I have. My second car.
Your second?
Yeah.
Is this your first or?
We go there further. Then to the left. Oh, we should have run with them.
I told you to.
Oh.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's green. It's almost green. Yellow with now to the right. Now to the right.
Oh,
Now to the right. Well done. Well done.
And now it's easy.
Yes. You're doing really good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want to buy this car?
I don't think so. But it's your car. Why you want to sell it?
No, just out of curiosity.
Ah.
I would sell if you would like offer a lot of money. You know?
How much?
Like maybe 200K.
What?
Yeah.
No.
Just out of kindness, you could have offered 200K.
I have no.
Oh, that's police.
Oh.
But we don't we have nothing to like, we're not doing anything bad. We're just driving. We're normal. So, what did you say? What were we talking about?
You do like I'm rich, but I'm not rich.
You're rich at heart, and your personality is rich. Kid on a motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Yeah, you know what? After the second time, the drive was amazing. You're doing real great.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. You see? Like you had it in your like blood or something.
Now I have to pass that kid.
No, just drive behind him.
Okay.
You see how he goes around.
Yeah.
He's not gonna let you overtake. Okay. Just 200,000.
No, I have no money.
You're kind of homeless?
I'm kind of homeless. I live with my mom. I want to help her out.
It is kind of stews
What?
that you live with your mom. She can like cook and wash stuff for you.
It was like the lyrics of the clip,
Ah!
But I'm also living with my mom. I live with my parents,
Yeah.
in Luxembourg.
That's very good.
But it's the last month because this year my house is ready.
The man that lives in the parents' house is sexy, Loki.
Oh, that was close.
We then will need to turn to the right. So first to the left. Kiddos. Okay. Now to the right. And now to the right.
Huh? He's driving. What? You saw that?
It's Portugal. They do this sometimes here. I'm not judging it for real.
That's gonna be tough now.
What?
That's gonna be tough now because go.
Oh yeah! And the car's right behind us.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
But I think
You got this, yeah.
I got it.
How are you gonna do it though?
Yeah.
Don't drop it too hard because you should blood. No, it's okay. It's okay. You yeah, no go.
Every pro does like some mistakes,
Exactly. Without mistakes, you can't win.
It's about how to react at these situations.
It's about how you managed it, and you managed it well, bro.
Yeah.
I have my helmet for safety because this car has no bubbles.
It has airbag?
No, it has no airbags.
Oh.
The fuck, they were not
Is it
even
legal?
invented. Yes, of course it's legal.
Legal to have no airbag?
I mean, it's an old car. It's a drivable car, so it is, and it goes through checks.
Okay.
So if like so, my car has like a little like so you go to the like place, and they check the car if it's okay. They check it and they always say it's fine.
Okay. I have to log in,
Yeah, lock in completely. You can even buy new cars without an airbag. It's just your own safety. What the fuck cares about you?
I don't think you can buy cars without airbag that are new.
There could be some. Like a lot of like Nissan GTR, they don't have airbags.
But new?
Yeah,
No, I don't think so.
I think so.
New cars, they are built new.
I was with Loba, and in his GTR, he doesn't have airbags.
But why? It's so dumb.
Yeah, but I'm not sure. I don't have Nissan GTR, but I could have. You're going to go to a place.
He was going to the right and I was not sure, Oh Mann. Ich schwöre, die fahren ja alle wie die größten Wichser.
It was okay. It was good. That was very good. I would say you saved. That you gotta be careful with this like accelerator button, in this with this throttle. You gotta be careful because it's very much sensitive. Where are you turning?
What?
Oh.
Because of
To the left.
yeah.
Got it. Understood. I have had this car for a very long amount of time. Less
This
than
car?
a year.
Yeah,
I bought it on my last birthday. I'm thinking, what should I gift myself on that birthday if I'm
Wait,
broke?
you bought it at your last birthday?
Yeah. Last year ago.
Oh. Okay, the car's okay, crazy. I thought you had it like 2 years, but you had it just like before we met.
Yeah. I just bought it before we met a year ago. Du bist Gott genug. Yeah, I'm chill. I'm chill. I'm chill now. Now I believe in him. I know he can do good, so I don't have to like worry about anything. And even if we get stuck, it's totally fine, right? The World Cup matches right now, I think it's not. I mean, maybe.
Who's playing?
I have no clue. I have no clue. Don't jinx it. You need West. You got helmet already.
What?
Yeah, a West.
Why West?
For full safety.
The West?
A West. Like a spine, to protect the spine. And like inside inner organs. So in case if like the heat will be right on my like heart, then it's gonna be protected. Argentina and Austria playing.
Okay, that's a crazy match.
Yeah, it's kind of low-key important to watch, I'd say.
Oh.
No?
I think Austria gets shit, but yeah.
Austria will get shit on?
Yeah.
Oh. I thought Austria's cool at football, but not better than Argentina, I think. So you can go. Yeah. And we turn here. God damn. You're capable of much more than that.
What?
Can you do burnouts?
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Honestly, on this car, it's pretty tough, I guess, to make a burnouts. And I wouldn't do it.
No, I think we break the car.
Yeah, and I will have to, send it on repair. Match going on absolute cinema. Argentina 1-0 right now. Oh, it's match right now going on.
That's right now?
Match is right now?
How long they play? How long they fick mich doch einfach.
Messi scored.
No.
Yeah. Loki, to be honest, I was not really in football that much, but I think that like Loki, Messi just like better than Ronaldo.
Yeah, he's better.
It's halftime now.
It's a tough time to be a Ronaldo
Fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a halftime. First half.
Okay, it's 1-0?
Yeah, 1-0, yes. 45 minutes left. Messi scored 1 and failed 1 penalty.
What? Messi failed 1 penalty?
Bro, you can't say anything after watching how Ronaldo played with Congo. The dude had ball 2 times and he missed-aimed twice.
Yeah, but it was difficult ball,
Okay, shit happened.
I'm faster.
Okay. We're faster. Okay. Please, guys, get to see match. We can't right now.
No. It's
Yeah,
not that deep.
we're driving. Oh shit.
Argentina is going to win 3-0 and then it's easy.
Hugo.
What?
Okay.
What?
Nothing. We're good. There, we cannot go there for now. We have to wait. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you when it's free. Oh, somebody's filming you right now, but we have to go there. Okay, and now turn please to the right. Yeah, now to the right.
I know where we are.
You do?
No.
Why do you say you know where we are?
I don't know.
Okay.
It looks the same.
Okay.
Oh,
Now,
no, I know where we
now
are.
just look, we're going down the hill. That thing has no brakes. Just kidding, it has. Hell, thank you very much for 5 gifted. Thank you very much. Danke for gifting.
But I have to go there, right?
To the left.
No, but that's where we parked yesterday.
Oh yeah, to the right. Oh my god, you're right. Yeah, we have to go there.
Yeah.
Okay. Car coming. Okay. All right. Carefully, slowly. Doing great. Try to back up now. Yeah.
Oh my god. What?
Where would you like to park?
No.
Here?
Here.
There.
No, he parked like a Hurensohn.
Yeah, that's yes.
Good?
Yes.
Yeah?
It was a nice ride, my brother. Anyways, amazing. 10 out of 10 experience. Hugo is the best driver on earth exist. Hugo, you did great.
Okay, now we switch to the backpack or no?
We could if you want. Do you want? You don't want. We can have my phone. Guys, would you rather have me? Oh my god, there's shit, Hugo!
What?
Anyways, Do you guys, would you rather have my stream set up or his stream set up with his goofy ass camera?